Hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
It's another booster battle. I'd like to take this video and tell everybody happy holidays, and I hope you have a great whatever you celebrate. Christmas, Hanukkah. I don't know the rest of them. Alright, so I bought this one from Walgreens a long time ago. It's been a couple months. And then this one showed up at a Walgreens. And I bought this one. So, I figured we can do a battle on them now. I was just going to open one of them and be like, hey, this is what's inside. But these are from the Unfair Field Company. So, this is going to be an unfair field battle from the TCG Lightning Box. We'll see what we actually get out of them. Coin flip. 2 heads. Tarlin's up 1. 2 heads. Oh, and he wins.
Jeez.
Alright, you're first.
Big shot. Roll.
So this does come with a bonus card, so let's see what that is.
How do you open this?
The bottom has a flap.
Oh,
And I just
I knew that.
I just the bottom is like
Gorilla Glue.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, just bumped the camera. So yeah, that's very stuck in there. Here's the bonus card. Oh wow, a reverse holographic.
Oh my god.
Bonus.
Those are rare. Super rare.
What do you expect from the Unfair Field Company, I guess?
Yeah, my bonus card is... No way.
Oh, what? It's not even a rare or a reverse hollow.
No way.
That seemed very fair.
Oh, I got 2 evolutions?
No way. You got 2 evolutions?
Okay.
Oh.
Alright.
So. Cover clips. And,
Oh, I need
this
to
one
find
has
mice.
a-
I need a Cosmog.
Cosmog out of this?
Yeah.
You said? Okay. Alright, so we did trade because I love evolutions. And
I thought it was just one.
he wants Cosmogs. So, those will be last.
Yeah.
Steam Siege first, because we all know Steam Siege. And how awesome they are at giving us green, white code cards. Oh, that's really cool. Okay. And then you're first, so.
Oh yeah, I'm usually not first.
Wow.
Oh,
You
that
used your
ripped
lucky
open.
coin.
That opened up like butter. Oh, that ripped over like butter.
It's like,
That's not saving. Okay. Oh.
damn.
Well, there.
You still got reverses.
Is it
there.
3?
2, 3, 4, I think. Yeah, 4.
Alright.
It's above X and Y. Either way, you do it where it's still going to be in the middle.
Alright. Coffee. Or coffee, I don't know. Nose Pass. Snow Runt. Rock Ruff. Deerling. Energy. Unidentified Fossil. I'm not saying that, because even if I do, I'll say it wrong. Here, dear. Reverse Whimsicott. It's pretty cool. And I don't know, unlock. Not bad, I guess. It's still a Lohan. I guess it's cool.
Alright. I won't get anything out of this. It's just the
Yeah. Now you'll get the best of stuff, Dad. What are you talking
open so many of these.
Why don't you get like a GX or something?
I'd be very. Oh, I think it's X and Y, so we'll do 3. Palave, Fletchender. I can't believe these theme seeds are for the booster box. It's actually up to $300. One booster box, you get like 1 GX, 1 full art, and that's it. Oh, a break.
I don't know if it's just me, but
Yo, that'll break.
Steam Siege
Not
has
what I
a
was
really-
expecting at all. And an Avalog.
Steam Siege has like really good artwork.
Actually, I think I might have gotten 2 cards that I didn't have before. Yo, that'll break. So this card right here is worth like $1. Not even, like 30 cents maybe.
Awesome.
I don't think that goes towards. That's like you can get more out of a reverse holographic than that break card. Yep.
Fletchling, Onyx, Fletchender, Snooper, Murkrow, Energy, Channeler, Azelf, Blue Tactics, Reverse Snooper, and
Oh. All right. That is awesome. It's a full art
I
trainer.
love that. Actually, I love that background. Like,
At the
I love that.
at the end of this turn, draw cards until you have 8 cards in your hand. Okay, that is a really good card. Very nice. All right, Tournaments. No,
I love that artwork.
that's really cool.
It looks like the Amazing Rares, just not rainbow.
Crimson Invasion. Yeah, it does kind of look like an Amazing Rare trainer. Amazing Rare trainer card. Right.
Oh, you got a Pikachu.
Aw, Pikachu, little fat Pikachu. We'll see you later again. Don't guess this one.
Steel.
Steel, I'll go fire. Oh,
Oh, you were close. Closer than me, anyway.
I don't know what's wrong. Cincino, Grumpig, Emolga, the Pikachu, Chamco, Magikarp, Barnaby. These have been out everywhere in Pokemon Go. Shellos, a reverse Starvia, and and the Lego GX. Actually, I opened up the ETB not too long ago, and I got the full art of this. That is cool. Alright. So I think Tarlin's still winning.
I'm debating right now whether or not if I'm still winning. Wait, is that at like a 75% art card? Because if it is, then yeah. But,
That's
how hard is
ultra
mine to
rare.
get, though?
Yours is harder because it's full art.
Code card.
What pack was this one?
Sword and Shield.
Oh, base set.
Yeah.
Maybe we can get Mary a Mimikyu.
Diglett. Make sure there wasn't another card. Pharaoh Seed. Goldeen. Rosalia. Energy. Energy Switch. I'm not saying that. Sazzle. Reverse Wooloo. I don't know. I didn't know that was a thing. And then
Clay doll.
yeah.
A clay doll. Alright, Evolutions. The best pack in the world. That you can still buy at a decent price. Alright, I'm going to guess it's going to be upside down, so you can't. So everybody knows that it's going to be a Doug Trio. What do you think?
Electrode.
Electrode?
No, far-fetched.
Far-fetched? Okay. Slobo Spirit. Pokedex. Caterpie. A Ghastly. A Diglett. Oh, it's going to be Doug Trio. Rattata. Charmander. A Reverse Ghastly. And Tarlin was right. He wins.
I said far-fetched.
Oh, you said Electrode.
I said
first,
Electrode, and I'm like, actually,
oh, okay,
far-fetched.
changed it. Alright, Tarlin. We should best of luck on that pack for sure. There are two cards that we insanely pulled back to back in our last video, or one of our last videos.
Yeah, it is this side.
Yep.
Okay. Go guard.
It was during a battle, so it didn't come out of the same product that we bought, but it was back to back because
V-Bass.
yeah, it was
Perlion. Hippopotamus. Centric. Larvesta. Energy. I'm not saying
got
that.
the Rita.
Pokemon Breeder Nurturing. Combuskin. Zuelis.
Reverse and
Oh,
a Golly Spot. I don't know if I have that one.
Golly Spot.
I'm not sure.
Okay.
We'll check it out. Ooh, Evolutions. This is gonna be my
Your bestest card ever.
the Doug Trio. I said that's gonna be this one. 3 cards.
Far-fetched.
Okay, this
coming
one.
up.
Machoke. Super Potion. A Seal. Nidoran. Ponyta. A Doduo. Pikachu. Ooh, Ninetales Break.
Another break.
There we go. And a Mewtwo. Wish they still were hollow, like they were back in the day. But yeah, I got 2 break cards. Does that count as anything? This is what I got.
Yeah, I think you won.
Because break cards are worth like 0 cents. They're like, you have to pay somebody to take the break card from you. And Ninetales and the Yveltal, and then the Lego GX. But I'm battling against this, which seems epic. So
I don't know, I think you won.
I don't know. I don't think I did. We'll have to do a bonus pack. The winner's pack after you guys let us know who won. Who wins that? Because everybody knows about breaks. And I didn't actually pull anything close to what he pulled. Other than break cards. So yeah, let us know. And then we'll put in a short of the bonus pack. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.